Hey guys, it's Halo here, and this is my Morticia Addams makeup tutorial. All the products used today will be listed throughout the video. Music used will be listed at the end of the video. Please remember to like this video, give it a goth thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on other social media I may or may not have, share with your friends, family, etc. And as always, leave any comments in the little comments box below. Now I know I don't really do a lot of beauty tutorials or just face tutorials, I suppose, on my YouTube channel, but I'm trying something a little different this time. And I was seriously considering painting on her dress, but I couldn't find any good reference photos in the pictures that I did have. And this is indeed the Morticia Addams from the Addams Family movie, which is Angelica Houston.
So to start off with, I'll be covering any necessary areas with concealer. Then adding a bit of shine killer to my nose, forehead and cheeks and any area that gets way too shiny, and just blending that all into my skin. Then I'll be going over the top with my favourite foundation. You can apply a foundation that's a shade or two lighter than your normal skin tone, but I am extremely pale, so I can get away with just using my normal foundation. Next, I'll move on to the eyes and apply a shimmery white eye primer. Then I'm lining my eyes, both the top and bottom waterlines, with black eyeliner. Then concentrating mostly in the inner corner to about halfway across the eyelid, I'm applying a metallic white glittery eyeshadow. Then I'm also applying that directly under the arch of my brow and just blending that down. Next, I'm applying grey metallic eyeshadow all into my crease and on the very outer corner of my eye, just roughly using my makeup brush as a guide to see where I'm wanting it to and what angle to put it on. Then to reinforce that shape, I'm going in with a matte black eyeshadow over the top and just really concentrating it in the outer corner of my eye and then slowly blending it into the crease. Then I'm applying my cream eyeliner. Sorry, I don't actually have a brand for this one. It was like a freebie gift I got over a year ago and I'm like, hey, let's actually use it. So just applying that to my eye in a sort of cat's eye shape and joining that up with my bottom lash line. And since the eyeliner didn't really set, it still stayed active whenever you touched it. I did go over the top of it with a black eyeshadow just to kind of set it. Then I'm filling in my brows as well with the same black eyeshadow. Then I'm applying my favourite mascara that has lived through the ages. Then using a grey eyeshadow, I am lightly tapping it in just underneath my cheekbone and jawline, and I'm heavily blending that out. Then I'm also using that grey eyeshadow to contour the sides of my nose and the very tip of it. And then I'm going over my mouth with red body paint. I could have just gone in with a dark red lipstick, but I couldn't actually find it. So I just went in with the body paint and then I powdered over the top with a metallic red. Obviously, if you have bright red lipstick, just use your bright red lipstick. And I'm just taking a metallic white eyeshadow and adding the highlights to my cheekbones, nose, I think I did a bit on the chin as well. If you have a highlighter, use that, but I am so pale I can just get away with using metallic white eyeshadow.